Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome, my dear student, to the course of Object Oriented Programming. In the last lecture, we discussed about the inheritance and also about the overloading and overriding functions and polymorphism features of the Object Oriented Programming. Today, we are going to discuss about another important feature of the Object Oriented Programming, that is called encapsulation. What is encapsulation in object-oriented programming, and what is its importance? Let us understand this concept. Encapsulation is basically the process of combining data members and functions in a single unit called class. The purpose of this combination is to prevent the access to the data directly. The access to them is provided to the function of the class. It is one of the most popular feature of the object-oriented programming that helps in data hiding. Therefore, it is also known as data hiding and data encapsulation. Both of the names are from by both names it has been known or represented in the world of the object-oriented programming. How encapsulation is achieved in a class? For this purpose, first of all, we make all the data members private, and then we declare publicly two functions that is called setter and getter functions. The purpose of setter and getter function, the one is to set the data members values, and the other is to then by get function we can get the values of the data members and then display it on the screen. So encapsulation, by example, we will try to make clear the concept of encapsulation. In this example, we create a class employee. Example of encapsulation. Example encapsulation, we have just declared two data members here. One is number, integer number, and the other one is chr. One is character variable and the other one is integer variable, that is called num. And publicly we declared two function that, as we have discussed in the start, that getter and setter function. For getting the data of the getting the integer data, we declare the function integer get num and then return the num value. And similarly, for getting the corrected data, chr get ch and then return the ch value with us. Similarly, setter functions, they are called for assigning the values to the private data members. Then what we are doing at here, by setter function, we just assign this value to that what has been we have read or from the external world. Now we are going to assign this value to that integer value that has been declared private, but we are going to assign values through a public functions from the external world to the private data member of the function. This is the basic mechanism of encapsulation. So we assign this, then that accessing operator, or you can say combining operator, and we just assign the num data member to assign to the this dot accessing operator, the num, and similarly this dot ch. And then in the main program we just declare an object of the example encapsulation object, and then we just called those two values functions by just getting the 100, giving him 100 and passing the 100 parameter value, or a as a character value, and then we just get num and get ch, and we just then declare the values. And now if we just want to run this program and just run a program and see that how it would work. So let us run this program in a compiler of the C++. So we will take the example right here. I just write down the program at here, and now I will try to run the program. So if I will try to run this program on the screen, you will see that after running the program, the compilation process has been started, and we have got the result 100 and a. So that those were the two values that we read from the external world to the public function that we have declared as setter and getter, and then we assign those values to the private data members of the class example encapsulation, and we successfully got the result. So this process of combining data with the private data members of the class through public function is called encapsulation. So it is one of the most important feature, and I hope that inshallah most of our students who are studying object oriented from our channel, studying and listening the lectures from our channel, inshallah they will be succeeded to clear this concept of encapsulation by this easy example. Thank you for For watching more such type videos about the other object oriented function, you must subscribe our channel, and then also press the bell icon to get the notification about the latest videos. Thank you, dears. Thank you very much.